Before I forget, shout out to Matthew Boder. He's a new subscriber. What's right there?
That's the wall that I hit.
Remember when Leslie told me that she hit the wall with the car? What did you do?
I hit the side of the car again.
How'd you do that? Yeah.
It was this wall right here. You can kind of see where the scrape is. I don't think I made that really big one, but I think there's smaller ones.
All right, I'll see you later. Yeah, look at that scrape. That was definitely Leslie. Leslie went to go get Stone at school. I'm gonna take a quick time lapse, and then we gotta go help my mom move a suitcase. So we're gonna go to my mom's house, and I haven't had time yet to tell her that I'm a vlogger. Like, that's what I do with my entire life. Do you think she'll still accept me? So we just got Stone. Now we're gonna go to Grandma's really quick to help her move a suitcase. But I also have to tell her that I've made a decision in my life to become a full-time vlogger, and I just need to see if my mom really loves me or not. Will she accept me? Hey, how are you?
I'm just fine. Are you still pushing me?
Mom, I'm a vlogger now. Did you know that?
What's a blogger?
You don't know what a vlogger is?
No.
It's a person who films his life. My life is you right now. Where are you going?
I just don't want it up close.
You don't want to be up close and personal?
Well, personal. Just keep the wrinkles out of it.
Oh yeah, you look beautiful. You're natural. The camera loves you.
Uh-huh.
So you have a suitcase for me to move?
Yes, I do, because in the morning at 7:30 the floor man will be here.
Okay.
And I have to move out. Look at that.
What? Oh, Stone can't handle that.
Yes, I can.
It makes him crazy. All right, you can have it. My mom's house is going to be under construction because she had some pipe leaks, so she has to move out and move into a place by our house for a few weeks while the construction workers do their thing. All right, Mom, I just wanted to let you know that I'm now a full-time vlogger, okay? That's what I'm doing with my entire life.
You're full-time because you also do my videos.
Oh yeah, well, I'm a full-time yoga producer, but
Okay.
behind yoga producing, I'm full-time vlogging, okay? Are you okay with that?
I'm fine
You
with
still
that.
accept me as your child?
I still accept you, yes.
All right.
As long as you don't get that right in my face.
Okay,
Bye, thank
bye.
you.
Love you.
Love you too.
Hey Stone, why are you in timeout right now?
Because I feel like it.
Stone, aren't you supposed to be doing your homework?
No.
Stone, why aren't you doing your homework, man?
Because I don't want.
Mom's waiting for you to do your homework. We can do an art segment. Stone does his homework for the vlog.
Oh, why don't I actually do art?
That is art.
Ugh.
You get nothing. Come and do your home twerk.
This is one of the more stressful times of the day. It's called homework time at the Fightmaster household. Oh my gosh. I can't handle homework time. The kids are going crazy right now and trying to force them to do their homework. It's so frustrating. Sometimes you feel like life is collapsing in on you. Your life of a world of homework is collapsing in on you, and you can't handle it. You need to just sneak away from the family and eat a cookie, because that's the only way you can stop the pain. It tastes so good when it touches the lips. Have I said what's up to Matthew Boder yet? What's up? My video yesterday, Balloon Animals, already has 23 views, so I'm basically blowing up right now. 23 views and 5 likes, but can you believe it? Who disliked my video, man? People can be so cruel. What do you think of my green screen? I guess it's just okay when it's green, but what if we change it? Watch this. Oh yeah, now I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool because I'm video vlogging with a cookie. I'm cool vlogging with a cookie, man. I'm a cookie vlogger. Hey, do you guys remember vlog 27? It was the hobby people vlog, and I asked people, how do I get more subscribers? Well, I got some more advice from an old friend that I met back in San Francisco, Timothy Hansen. This is what he told me. Duke, to increase your subscription levels, maybe you need a publicity stunt. Conan went to South Korea and appears on a popular Korean drama show. Perhaps something like that, but in China or India. Loads of potential fans. This was a great idea. I knew I had to jump on this as soon as possible. So my reply was, hey Tim, do you have any popular drama show connections in China or India? I could really use them right now. Thank you for the suggestion. Immediately I get an email back from Tim. He says, Duke, in north of India or South San Jose, I believe we have contacts associated with the future TV series Goat Curry Please, but no hair for me. I'll be in South San Jose later in the month to make my inquiries at the buffet restaurant. What's my end? 82%? Then immediately after Tim's post, he knew he needed to post a little bit more. He says, I can make something happen. I need my boots on the ground. Set up an expense account. Let's do it. Then a couple seconds later, Tim deletes both of those comments. He thought maybe he was a little too funny, possibly hurt my feelings or something. But don't fear, because luckily I was able to take a screenshot of those comments from my email and repost them back on Facebook. Sometimes when people have a genius, dry, witty sense of humor, they end up backing up because they think, uh-oh, I might have hurt that guy's feelings. But don't worry, Tim. I immediately reposted your comments, and then Tim replies back, Duke, I've been hurt in the past by my comic genius. Thanks for the encouragement. Tim, it is true. When you're a brilliant comic genius, you need to be careful. Not everyone's going to understand you. There's a thin line, and you never want to cross that thin line. And I'll tell you where that line is. When you're on the Duke Fightmaster fan page of Facebook, you post whatever the beep you want. And when you're on any other person's page, be a polite gentleman. All right, enough Duke time. Let's go to jiujitsu.
Hey, nice walk bike hut, by the way. It's really nice.
Nice what?
Nice walk bike hut. It's nice.
Nice walk?
Yeah, you like put the camera down and you just walk by.
Oh yeah,
like,
yeah.
Hi.
What's up, dude?
I've been in one of your videos and I know I have.
What's up, Elon? You're subscriber number 300.
That's right, I am. I am subscriber number 300. I saw that there was a 1 subscriber deficit, and I jumped on the opportunity to be Mr. 300.
Yeah. Thank you. No high five?
6, 7.
Did I say what's up to Matthew Boder yet? What's up? I finally got the kids to jiu-jitsu. They were a little crazy. Hopefully they're running that crazy energy out now. It's been kind of a discombobulated vlog. I was noticing that 10 days ago I had 299 subscribers, and now I have 325. So, yeah, I'm really moving up in the world now. Thanks for those of you who are watching. If you know anybody, this is the sales pitch, anyone who could use some Duke Fightmaster in their life. Translation, everyone you know, tell them they must subscribe to this vlog. Okay, that might be too much to ask, but if you can, it would be cool. I don't think I have any more for you. I'm gonna be staying up forever editing this thing. So, my friends, mi amigos, I will see you tomorrow.